me yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
I don't want to get copyrighted, but it feels like just yesterday we were here because it was just yesterday.
Every damn day.
And we're back. Look what I got. If you guessed this was the temp sensor, you guessed right. That's what we're gonna do tonight. I would say today, but it's literally nighttime.
It's 2 wires. I just don't want to do it, so I'm probably gonna make you do it.
That's fine with me. Kai's gonna learn how to do wiring today. After we unplug it, obviously we gotta snip it. We put the new connector on. This is the tough one. We gotta remove this snipper snapper.
I put that one in. I put Teflon tape around it because we don't want to wait for it to dry because there's coolant already in it.
Let's see if my quick lube will fail me today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. That's pretty good, if I do say so myself. All right, Jordy thinks we should put some tape on it.
It'll look better. Yes.
Ta-da! The best part of my car.
Dusty ass bottle. Put the overflow back on.
101.
A few moments later.
All right, so the reason why I wasn't reading before is because we had the wires swapped in the clip. We fixed that issue, and now we got the car running. We're gonna see if it actually stays at temp. Right now we're at 113. Jordy wants to put the zip ties in my bumper.
Thermostat open.
Breather.
Take the girl out of the Miata, but not the Miata out of the girl. Temps are chilling. It has an LSD for sure.
I feel like I'm learning how to drive stick again.
That's literally what it feels like.
Put it in first.
In first, rev the piss out of it, dump the clutch, and give it gas. See how you broke the wheels loose? There you go. More gas. More gas. You're doing better.
Alright guys, I'm letting Jordy drive. He always lets me try to drift his E36, so it's only right.
Your power steering belt left the chat.
You motherfucker!
I wonder if it blew over there because I was going and that just went.
You have to drift my car before I did. How do you feel?
It's sick. The 1.6, I get why people like them because you gotta keep them rev to the moon. Good car, and the temps are still good. Go tell Kylie that it's okay that she didn't do a donut on her first test drive. Like, this is the first drive outside the parking lot, and it did pretty damn good besides me losing the power steering belt. But it might have not been tight. We didn't really check.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully next time you're here, I'll be able to do a goddamn donut. Nope.
The next day.
Found the belt.